Dual-band 4x4 AC3100 Wi-Fi with speeds up to 2100 megabits per second, 5 GHz band, and 1000 megabits per second 2.4 GHz band. External magnetic antenna base allows flexible antenna placement to maximize coverage. Note: support MU-MIMO technology. Individual antennas can also attach directly to PCIe card for compact installation. Modulation -1024 com. Custom heatsink effectively dissipates heat for improved stability and reliability. ASUS support Windows 1086x64, Windows 786x64. R-sma antenna connectors enable compatibility with a variety of aftermarket antennas. Quoted network speeds and bandwidth based on current IEEE 802.11 AC specifications. Actual performance may be affected by network and service provider factors, interface type, and other conditions. Connected devices must be 802 compatible for best results. Top reviews from the United States. The best I have found that still works on Windows 7 and delivers super fast speeds. I have tried so many Realtek Wi-Fi USB adapters and they all were giving me all kinds of issues. Finally I decided to go with this one and the difference is night and day. I am so pleased with the hardware, definitely worth the extra cost. I wasted a lot of time trying all kinds of adapters and finally found the one and only.